Hello students, welcome to Sunny Sky Primary School. Now I hope in our last lecture that problem you have done, have you done that in your homework book? Okay. Now here I have written some point. Less, subtraction, last sum it was of less, you were doing subtraction, yes. Now today we will do the second sum that will have more. And for when you have a more, when you find more in your problem, you will do addition. And difference. Difference means always you will do subtraction. Let us see second problem. In the long jump for girls. Now previously it was of boys. Now here are girls. In the long jump for girls, Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. Gopi has the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. Minu came second. She jumped 12 centimeter more. She jumped 12 centimeter more. Pay attention on more. Previously when we have done it was less. Here it is more. She jumped 12 centimeter more than Gopi. Nilu jumped the longest. Now among these three girls, Nilu is jumping longest. Nilu jumped the longest. She jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. Now Nilu is jumping 13 centimeter more than Minu. For that we need to first find the jump of Minu, then we can find the jump of Nilu. Then what is the difference between the long jump of Nilu and Gopi? We have to find the difference between the jump of Nilu and Gopi. Let us find out. In the long jump for girls, Gopi had the shortest jump of 3 meter 32 centimeter. So first we will write the jump of Gopi. Gopi's jump is 3 meter 32 centimeter. Now it is told Minu came second and she jumped 12 centimeter more. If she is jumping 12 centimeter more than Gopi, then we have to add. We have to do addition to find the jump of Minu. We have to add it in the Gopi's jump. Then we will get the jump of Minu. First we will write Minu jumped 12 centimeter more. 12 centimeter more than Gopi. 12 centimeter it is more, so we will do addition and not subtraction. Previously it was less, so we were doing subtraction. So we will do plus, so let us do addition in Gopi's jump. Gopi is jumping 3 meter 32 centimeter and we will add 12. By adding 12, we can find the jump of Minu. 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 plus 0 is 3. So, 3 meter 44 centimeter is the jump of Minu. It is Minu's jump. Now, next is Nilu jumped the longest. She jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. She is jumping 13 centimeter more. Who is jumping? Nilu. Nilu jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. Nilu is jumping 13 centimeter more than Minu. Now we will add 13 centimeter in Minu's jump. Then we will get the jump of Nilu. What is the jump of Minu? 3 meter 44 centimeter that we found. 3 meter 44 centimeter and plus 13 because she is jumping 13 centimeter more. So we will do addition. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 meter 57 centimeter is the jump of Nilu. So Nilu's jump is 3 meter 57 centimeter. Now we need to find the difference of what is the difference between the long jumps of Nilu and Gopi. So we need to find the difference of Nilu and Gopi's jump. Let us find. So let us find the difference between Minu and Nilu. First, whose jump is longest? Nilu's jump is longest. and Minu is jumping less than Nilu, so Nilu will come first because it is more. Nilu's jump is equals to 3 meter 57 centimeter and Minu's jump is 3 meter 44 centimeter. We wants to find difference, so for difference we will do subtraction. Difference is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 meter 13 centimeter. Let's revise it one time. Gopi's jump is given to us, it is 3 meter and 32 centimeter. Then what is told to us in the next line of the problem? Minu jumped 12 centimeter more. She is jumping more. So we will do addition, as I told you. More means we will do add and less we will do subtraction. It is more. So we will add 12 centimeter in Gopi's jump. So we will get Minu's jump. If you are adding 12 centimeter in her jump, then you will get Minu's jump. So by adding 12 centimeter in Gopi's jump, we are getting Minu's jump of 3 meter 44 centimeter. Then what is given to us? It is told that Nilu jumped 13 centimeter more than Minu. Now as we already found the Minu's jump, we can find the jump of Nilu. She is jumping 13 centimeter more than Minu. So we need to add 13 centimeter in Minu. Then we will get the jump of Nilu. You will not add in Gopi because she is jumping more than Minu. Take care when you are doing these problems. Pay attention on the words, what is written, pay attention on the numbers, what are written, okay. Then 3 meter 44 centimeter plus 13, then you will find the Nilu's jump. Then what is the jump that we found of Nilu? 3 meter 57 centimeter. Now Nilu's jump and Minu's jump we found. Then what we have done? We have found the difference between Nilu and Minu. Now our question is of what is the difference between Nilu's jump and Gopi's jump. So we will find that. First, what is the jump of Gopi? It is 3 meter 32 centimeter. And what is Nilu's jump that we found is 3 meter and 57 centimeter. Let us find. And Nilu's jump and Gopi's jump, the bigger jump, longest jump is of Nilu. So Nilu will come first because subtraction is possible from bigger to smaller. Nilu is 3 meter 57 centimeter and Gopi's jump is of 3 meter 32 centimeter. So difference we will find 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the difference between the jump of Nilu and Gopi that we found is of only 25 centimeter, 0 meter 25 centimeter. Now we have a homework problem. And the problem is, in the long jump for boys, Setu had the shortest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter, 3 meter 40 centimeter. Heath came second. His jump was 25 centimeter more than Setu, while Meet came first. He jumped 18 centimeter more. He jumped 18 centimeter more than Heath. What is the difference between the long jumps of Setu and Meet? Now it is a similar problem that we have done for girls. More, so you will do addition. 3 meter 40 centimeter is the jump of Setu. For finding the jump of Heath, Heath is jumping 25 centimeter more. So you will add 25 centimeter in Setu's jump, then you will get Heath's jump. Then while Meet came first, he jumped 18 centimeter more than Heath. Now after finding Heath's jump, you can also find the jump of Meet, because Meet is jumping 18 centimeter more than Heath. So you will do addition of 18 centimeter in Heath's jump. And last is, what is the difference between the long jump of Setu and Meet? After finding the jump of Meet, you will find the difference of Meet's jump and Setu's jump. Difference means you will do subtraction. See, today here we have a table. From this table we have to answer our questions of problems. First I am explaining you the table. Sports, world record and Indian records. Which are the sports here? High jump for men, long jump for men, high jump for women and long jump for women. How much they are jumping, how much long they are jumping is given to us in world record and Indian record. Okay. Now our first question is, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the man's world record for high jump? Now here we have high jump, so we will see the column for high jump. See, we have here high jump for men, we have to see. So high jump for men, world record is of 2 meter 45 centimeter and Indian record is of 2 meter 17 centimeter. It is said to us Chandrapal is doing high jump for Indian record, then to be equal to world record, how much more should he jump, or to equal the world record, how much more he will jump? So first we will write Indian record for Chandrapal. So Indian record for Chandrapal is 2 meter and 17 centimeter and world record for high jump is of 2 meter and 45 centimeter. 2 meter 45 centimeters. So how many centimeters more? Here we have how many more. So we will do subtraction. It is not only more. In our last lecture we have seen that it was more, so we have added. But here it is not more, it is how many more. So whenever it is how many more or how many less or how much more or how much less, we will do subtraction. Okay. So after seeing more, you don't add. Only more, if it is more then you add, it is how much more then you will do subtraction. Okay. So you need to understand the questions very carefully. So 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter, we will do subtraction. 5 minus 7 not possible, so we will do borrow. 15 and 4 will become 3. What is 15 minus 7? Count it. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So answer is 2 meter 28 centimeter. So what we got? We got that Chandrapal have to jump 28 centimeter more to equal the world record of high jump. Our second question is, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? First, let us see where is Bobby. Bobby is here. Here is Bobby. Bobby A. He is jumping 1 meter 91 centimeter. He is doing Indian record. Okay. So high jump for women, Bobby 1 meter 91 centimeter Indian record. So first let us write how much he is jumping. She is jumping 1 meter 91 centimeter. She is jumping. Now to reach 2 meters, obviously 2 meter is more than 1 meter 91 centimeter. 1 meter and 91 centimeter is equals to 1 meter is 100 centimeter and 91. So plus 91 centimeter is equals to 100 plus 91 is 191. So total she is jumping 191 centimeter. If she want to reach 2 meters, 2 meters is 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. So now you can say that she is jumping less than 2 meters. So how can we find now that how much she should jump more? So we will do subtraction. How much higher? So we will do subtraction. 200 minus 191. So we will borrow 10, 9 and 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is again 0. So she has to jump 9 centimeter more to reach the world record. Another way for doing this sum is without converting it into centimeter. Here we have 2 meter for world record, here it is told to reach 2 meters. So 2 meter, so centimeters are not there. 2 meter 00 centimeters we will write, and 1 meter 91 centimeter. So 1 meter 91 centimeter. So 0 minus 1 not possible. So here 10 and here 9. So 10 minus 1 is, and here 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 meter 9 centimeter. Same answer we got in both, 9 centimeter 9 centimeter. So to reach 2 meters she has to jump 9 centimeter more. Our third question is, what is the difference between the world record and the Indian record of high jump for men? We have to see the high jump for men. High jump for men, and we have to find the difference between the high jump for men in world record and Indian record. So it is world record of high jump for men, and this is Indian record for high jump for men. So we have to see these two numbers, these two jumps we have to see. Let us write first this both. World record for high jump for men is of 2 meter and 45 centimeter, and Indian record for high jump for men is of 2 meter 17 centimeter. We have to find the difference between world record and Indian record. This is world record and this is Indian record. So we have to find the difference. So we will do subtraction of both. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we will do borrow, and here 3. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So answer is 0 meter 28 centimeter is the answer of difference between Indian record and world record. Now homework time. How many centimeters more should Anju ji jump to equal the woman's world record for long jump? Now this sum is similar to problem number 1 that we have done. In that also it was Chandrapal's jump was given to us, and it was asked that how much more should Chandrapal jump to be equal to world record of high jump of men. Similarly here Anju ji is jumping. Anju ji's jump is in Indian record. How much more should he jump to be equal the world record of long jump? Similarly you will do minus in this, then you will get the answer. Next is, how many centimeters more should Amritpal jump to reach 9 meters in long jump? This sum is similar to problem number 2. And last, in the women's world records, what is difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? And this is similar to our problem number 3. Here you have to write in the women's world record, what is difference? You see, world record, and here is woman, long jump and high jump. So you have to do subtraction of this world record of high jump of women and world record of long jump of women. Okay. Galina's jump is nearly 7 meter, B is 7.5 meter, C is 8 meter and D is 8.5 meter. First let us find Galina. Where is Galina? Find out. She is here. World record Galina is doing 7 meter 52 centimeter. Her long jump is of 7 meter 52 centimeter. Then it is nearly 7.5. So our answer is 7.5 meter. We will tick for 7.5 because 7.52, this is called 7 meter 52 centimeter is 7.52 meters. So our answer is 7.5 meter. Next, in the Indian record, what is the difference between the highest jump of men and women? Now where is Indian records? Here are Indian records. We have to find the difference of highest jump of men and highest jump of women. This is the Indian record of highest jump of men and this is the Indian record for highest jump for women. So we will find the difference between these two. So it is, for men it is 2 meter 17 centimeter, and for women it is 1 meter 91 centimeter. And difference, so we will do subtraction. 7 minus 1 is 6, 1 minus 9 is not possible, so we will borrow, and 11 minus 9 is 2. Again 1 minus 1 is 0, so our answer is 0 meter 26 centimeter. So the difference between the highest jump of men and women in Indian record is of 26 centimeter. Our next problem is similarly that we have done number 8, it's similar only. In the women's world records, what is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? First, where is world record? Here is the world records. We want to find the difference between the longest jump and highest jump of women. It is like number 8 only. Here is the world records. We have to find the difference of highest and longest of women. It is the highest jump for women and this one is the longest jump for women. Let us find out the difference. Bigger one is longest, so we will write that first. We have 7 meter and 52 centimeters longest jump, and our highest jump is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Here we have the 9 centimeter, we don't have 90, so we will not write 90 this way. 9 here we will not write, because if you will write 9 here, you have to write here 0, then it will become 90 centimeter. We don't have 90, we have 9 centimeter, so 9 we will write here and it will be 0. 2 minus 9 is not possible, so we will put here 12 and 4. 12 minus 9 is 3, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 meter and 43 centimeter is the difference of longest jump and highest jump of women's world records. Number 10. In the world records, what is the difference between the longest jump for men and women? Now here we have world record. We have to find the difference between the longest jump of men and women. Here not only men and not only women, here both men and women, and that is of longest jump. So world records longest jump for men and world records longest jump for women. That both difference we have to find out here. Let us find. Bigger one is of world record men. So we will write that first. 8 meter 95 centimeter is the world record of men in longest jump, and last one 7 meter and 52 centimeter is the world record for women in longest jump, and we have to find the difference, so we will do minus. 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer, that is 1 meter 43 centimeter. Difference between the longest jump of men and women in world record is 1 meter and 43 centimeter. This you need to write in your CW. See, 7, 8, 9, 10 you will write in your CW, and 11 and 12 you will write in your homework book. So this is your homework that you need to do by yourself. These problems are similar that we have done in 7 to 10. See number 11. In the Indian records, what is the difference between the highest jump of men and women? Before, what we have done, we have found the world records for women in longest and highest. This is similarly in the Indian records, we have to find the difference of men and women. Before, we have found that in world record. Here you have to find that in Indian records. See, Indian record. So first see the column of Indian records. These are Indian records. Then we have to find the difference of highest of men and women. So highest jump for men, Indian record, and highest jump of women, Indian records. So you have to find the difference between these two, Chandrapal and Bobby. So you will get your answer. Then number 12 is whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. This we have done in number 8. So you have to do this by yourself, okay? So you have to find out whose jump is nearly 2.5, that means 2 meters and 50 centimeter. Find out and you have to take your answer by yourself. Now one more time I am explaining you this table. Don't worry for the questions, okay? See, here are the sports given. Pay attention on the tables only. World records are given. and Indian record is given. Now you read your question carefully. If it is Indian record, then you see the column of Indian records only. If it is world record given, then you see the column for world records only. No need to see the column for Indian record if it is given world records. Then find out what is given high jump for men or women, long jump for men or women. If it is given world record of men, then you will have to pay attention on this world record for high jump of men. Then your number will be this, and world record for long jump for men, then your number will be this 8 meter 95 centimeter. If it is given Indian record for high jump for women, then it is high jump for women, and this one is Indian record for it. And Indian record for long jump for women, long jump, Indian record and women. If it is given both world record and Indian record of women, you have to find the difference between world record and Indian records for women. Then world record for women of long jump, Indian record for women of long jump. Same way, world record for high jump for women and world record of high jump for women. Okay. Similarly, world record and Indian record, high jump for men in world record and Indian record high jump for men. Find the difference between these two if it is given to find the difference between world record and Indian record of men of high jump. Now do this 11 and 12 very neatly in your homework book and 7 to 10 in your CW, and yes, no need to draw this table again because before you already have drawn for 1 to 6. Okay, thank you.